Aluminum wire presents a mixed bag of advantages and disadvantages compared to copper, especially when considering electrical installations. Firstly, a significant advantage of aluminum wire is its lighter weight. This makes it easier to handle and install, potentially reducing labor costs and time. Secondly, aluminum is a less expensive metal than copper. This directly translates to lower material costs for wiring projects. However, there are several critical drawbacks to consider. One major concern is the increased fire risk associated with aluminum wire. It's more prone to overheating and sparking than copper, which can significantly elevate the risk of electrical fires. This is primarily due to its higher coefficient of thermal expansion and potential for oxidation at connections. Connecting aluminum wire securely can also be challenging. Aluminum oxidizes rapidly when exposed to air. This oxide layer is non-conductive, making it difficult to establish reliable electrical connections. These poor connections can lead to increased resistance, overheating, and arcing. Furthermore, aluminum has lower electrical conductivity than copper. This means you need larger wire sizes to carry the same amount of current compared to copper. This increased size can impact conduit fill requirements and overall installation space. Aluminum wire is also more brittle than copper wire. This makes it more susceptible to breakage, particularly during installation or when subjected to mechanical stress. The potential for corrosion is another concern. Aluminum is prone to corrosion when exposed to moisture or certain chemicals. This corrosion can weaken the wire and its connections, leading to performance issues and potential failures. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does permit the use of aluminum wiring under specific conditions. It is important to understand these requirements to ensure safe and compliant installations. Firstly, the wire must be properly sized to carry the intended electrical load. This sizing must account for aluminum's lower conductivity compared to copper. All connections must be made with approved devices specifically designed for use with aluminum wire. These devices often include features like antioxidant paste or compression connectors to ensure a secure and reliable connection. These compounds help to prevent oxidation and improve conductivity at the connection point. Aluminum wire must not be spliced with copper wire directly. The different metals can create a galvanic reaction leading to corrosion and connection failure. Transition connectors designed for joining dissimilar metals are required. Electricians may sometimes suggest change orders to substitute aluminum wiring for copper due to its lower cost. However, it's crucial to carefully evaluate the potential increased risks and problems associated with aluminum before making this decision. When considering aluminum wiring for a project, firstly, consult with a qualified electrician who is thoroughly familiar with the NEC requirements and best practices for the safe use of aluminum wiring. Their expertise is invaluable in making informed decisions and ensuring a safe installation. Secondly, carefully weigh potential advantages and disadvantages of aluminum wiring in the specific application. Consider factors such as cost savings, installation complexity, and long-term maintenance requirements. Thirdly, ensure that all connections are made strictly according to NEC standards using approved devices and techniques. Proper connection is paramount for the safe and reliable operation of aluminum wiring systems. Keep in mind that aluminum wiring may require more frequent maintenance and monitoring than copper wiring. Regular inspections can help identify potential issues like loose connections or corrosion before they become serious problems. Insurance companies may have specific policies regarding homes with aluminum wiring. Some insurers might not cover electrical fires caused by aluminum wiring or may require specific inspections and upgrades. Homes with aluminum wiring may also have lower resale values compared to homes with copper wiring. Potential buyers may be concerned about the safety and potential maintenance issues associated with aluminum wiring. Aluminum wiring presents a significant fire safety hazard if not properly installed and maintained. If a building has aluminum wiring, it is crucial to have it inspected regularly by a qualified electrician and consider replacement with copper if necessary. The risk factors include overheating at connections, loosening of screws due to expansion and contraction, and potential for arcing. Replacing aluminum wiring with copper can be a significant investment, but it can also provide peace of mind and improve the safety and value of your property. The key to using aluminum wiring safely and effectively lies in understanding its properties and adhering strictly to NEC requirements and best practices. Proper installation, maintenance, and inspection are essential to minimize the risks associated with aluminum wiring and ensure a safe electrical system.